Let's get back to breaking news on Tesla now. The stock is down 1.4%. It's actually picking up a little bit from a few moments ago. Pulling out all the stops to hit production numbers, we've seen internal emails in which Tesla executives urged people to really prove it to the haters, the quote-unquote haters, that they could ramp up production on the Model 3, also offering a limited number of workers to get off production of the Model S and Model X tomorrow, Friday, in order to work on Model 3s and ramp up that production. We have the reporter who broke all of this news now, Craig Trudell, joining us. Craig, tell us more. Very emotional emails.
Yeah, Dana Hull actually is a reporter on this story, and she got a hold of these internal emails from Tesla manufacturing and engineering executives. It's really important for the company, obviously, needless to say, to hit Model 3 production numbers. They've spent billions of dollars getting this car up and running. They've had real trouble getting it going. And that's been super problematic for the company at this point. Because they haven't been able to get any return on that investment.
But what does pulling a limited number of workers off of 2 production lines to put them on the Model 3 line for just a couple of days do when you're only producing maybe 200 cars a day, and really Wall Street was thinking you'd be up to 2,500 cars a day by now?
Right, it's a good question. I do think that it's probably a situation where it's only going to be incremental, and one of the things that you see in these emails is this idea that they were at about 200 per day at the time that one of the emails were sent, and there was this urgency to get to 300 per day, which is closer to the weekly production rate that they've said that they'd be able to reach by the end of this quarter. So there was sort of an acknowledgement with this within this email that they are not at a pace where they need to be in order to hit their target. They still have some ways to go, but yet again, they sort of use this idea of we've got all of these short sellers out here who are doubting us, and let's prove them wrong, prove the haters wrong, as you said.